If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am super excited to introduce you to the Liora bag. This is a bloom and needle pattern. This one I have gone ahead and I have put on, I'm really into embroidery right now. So as you can see behind me, I do have an embroidery machine. So I embroidered this panel. This bag is perfect for showcasing this panel. So otherwise it's just plain. It's got piping. It has a back slip pocket, purse feet on the bottom, a recessed zipper. This one does not have a crossbody strap. And on the inside, we have two slip pockets and a zipper pocket. I've also gone ahead and made a matching deuce coupe wallet. So this is a Pin It Up Patterns pattern, which I am part of Pin It Up Patterns. So this is my design and this is my friend Phoebe's design. Yeah, so if you are one of my clients and you would like to order one of these bags or buy this set, this one will be on my website shortly. This is July, what are we, 31st, 2026, depending on when you're watching this. You could definitely go ahead and scoop this up. And if you're part of the bag makers community, if it's not up already, it will be soon. There is a tutorial on this. Plus, this is our August 2026 So Long bag on the membership side of the channel. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys again. Bye.